If I will bring back to approximately 5.7 volt, it will return back to some fuel level and this light will go. Yes, the circuit is good. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Hyundai XD Elantra 2006 dashboard cluster. Today I am testing this fuel level gauge. That is this one. I connected 5K potentiometer between first left pin in the bottom row in this connector, slider arm to connect at pin number 7, that is second last from the right side in the top row here, and this pin is connected to this ground terminal. In last video I found disconnection in this track that is connected at pin number 1. I connected jumper. Now this path is completed. Potentiometer, it is simulating the float fuel level sensor. When it is extreme left side and the gauge is stuck here, if I will rotate it to mid position 2.5 volts, but the gauge is still standing there. We can verify the stepper motor by placing on the place of this speedometer. Here I am injecting this signal. If you want to test speedometer and RPM meter, you can check the video number displayed on the screen. First let's verify this stepper motor by placing it here. It's voltage divider network that is working good. It is dividing voltage. It is assumed that these voltage are reaching to this microcontroller. First we need to verify this end mechanical part. Unlock it. Unlock it. It is moving with noise. And its pads are also dirty. Yes, this is the condition. First I will install this stepper motor here. There is audible sound, audible noise in this motor. Yes, now it is responding. Approximately 6.8 volts, 7 volt, around 7 volt. Yes, low fuel warning is present and gauge is at low position. That means the circuit is working good. If I will bring back to approximately 5.7 volt, it will return back to some fuel level and this light will go. Yes, the circuit is good. Now I will resolder the pads. Yes, now this gauge is working. After resoldering the PCB pads, now this gauge is moving linearly. That's fantastic. 5.5 volt. It's approximately near to bottom line. 6.7 volt. It will reach around in this zone. Now when float valve resistance will make voltage divider network with these resistors at 7.3 volt voltage difference between pin number 1 and 7, the fuel gauge is now showing empty and there is low fuel indicator. I will move slightly counterclockwise, approximately 6 volt. The gauge is returning back and low fuel warning is finished. Again 7 volt, approximately 6.8 volt, 7 volt. It will return to empty and low fuel warning will on. That means processor is working good. Counterclockwise 6 volt. Now it is returning back. Now low fuel warning must go. .3 volt, the gauge is returning back. This gauge was stuck due to poor contacts with the PCB. Stepper motor good because I installed this stepper motor here, so it's working good. So our problem, poor contacts. Fantastic. This stepper motor is working good here. I will lock it here. Yes, 7 volt, low fuel indication. .5 volt. Yes, it's off now. If you enjoyed this repair process, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.